Model Railroad fans. In this video, I'm just going to talk about a script that I created with my newest buddy, Claude AI. It's from a company called Anthropic. I was having trouble with Gronk script code. Just wasn't clean code and was giving me strange errors. My son uses Claude in his work, so I opened up Claude and started using him, and I found him to be really, really good. I'm going to show you an example of some scripts I built with Claude to help me document my jobs. It might seem strange that I'm building documentation, but I was an IT manager for years, and I love documentation. You have to have documentation for your programs and your systems. So I thought, yeah, I'm going to play with this and build something. So I clicked this help button, and that's a script that Claude created for me under a logic NG on that button. So I can go through and then pick a job. Let's pick this one, and then show the help. Okay, this one didn't have help, and it created just an empty shell for me. So it created this for me to start. So let me go to another one that might have some help under it. This is an example of a screen in rich text format that Claude actually built for me. He built the code that runs this rich text file. And at the top, he's got some pull downs for normal and bold, italics, regular and italics, underlined, not underlined, and in font controls. And at first he started with buttons, but those didn't work very well, so I asked him to change them to pull downs, and now those work pretty well. This is not as strong of a rich text editor as you might find in the wild, but it's all written in JMRI Script or JavaScript, and I'm really happy with it. It's good enough for what I'm doing. So I haven't finished the final formatting of this, like I'm needing to describe the start position of the locomotives. And then down here, what I'm saying is you can't run this job with another job. And so the other job you can't run is the part 2 with the coal, because they're going to conflict on the tract. So when I run let me close this. So when I run the jobs right here, if I select this job and this job, he's going to complain and not run job 2. I think that's so cool. So yeah, I just want to share what I've been doing here the last couple of days with my new buddy Claude. I filled up its input screen yesterday after working with it for, I don't know, an hour and a half. And then it said, you should buy the $20 a month version or come back at 3 p.m. and I'll start up with you. So he times you out for a while, and then he resets the timer later. But today I've been working with it all morning, and it timed out on me, and I thought, I really think this is worth $20 a month. I can cancel anytime. So that's what I did. I went and signed up for $20 a month version. And so yeah, that's what I've been doing the last couple of days with my new best buddy, Claude. Okay, in this part of the video, I'm just going to briefly go through how I use Claude. So I signed on this morning and it said, "Good morning, Fred." So since I've signed up for it, it knows who I am. So over here on the left, I can bring up previous chats that I've done. So let's open this one up. Okay, so this is the conversation I had with him about building the stuff you just saw. And here's the last entry. I was trying to get it to space, tab space, and it just couldn't figure it out. It must be built within Windows. So I tried 3 times. I said, that's not working, so let's forget this change. And so he did. And I decided it was done. So over here, when it builds a script for you, it actually shows it as it's building it over here on the right side. So then what I do is I hit copy. I come over here to JMRI and I go to script entry, and then I'll paste it, Control V, I'll just paste it in there. And then I'll execute it, and you see it's actually running the job selection, and it'll open the job if I ask it to, but I don't need to for this example. And then if I'm happy with it, then I'll store it under a name. And if I'm not happy with it, I won't store it. I'll just kill it, go back over to Claude, and then ask him for changes right here, and he'll make those changes. You can see that this was version 49. So we worked on this quite a while, but it never created a script that exploded on me like Gronk did. It would always run, and it might not do exactly what I wanted, but I was really never unhappy with it exploding on me. So yeah, it's, let's see, I can come up here to the top. You can see how long I worked with this thing. It's not intuitive to everything you want to do. So sometimes it just, does what it does, and it's not exactly what I wanted because, I didn't tell it what I wanted. So sometimes you have to get pretty detailed. So I started off this, he says happy birthday or happy Friday to me, and I said, yeah, happy Friday to you. And what I did is I uploaded an instructions, and I said down here, I said, please create a JMRI script as described in the file. So I just used Windows text editor here, and I started to create a JMRI script to do the following. And then I listed the steps I wanted him to create. And so that's how I got started. And I don't need to save that. So yeah, from there, we went on and on and on and on. And yeah, it was really eye-opening and interesting, all the things you can do or ask for Claude to change. So yeah, just thought I'd share how this looks on the Claude website. Thanks for watching.